Are you annoyed by little things? Hi, this is Veldin Lim and I'm with my wife, Moriel Lim. And welcome to Relationship. Shift your relationships, change your life. Mabilis ka bang mainis sa mga maliliit na bagay? And let me share this nugget of wisdom with you. Alam nyo, speaking of annoying and annoyance, kaming mag-asawa, madalas naming ma-annoy ang isa't isa. Unintentionally naman, madalas namin ma-annoy ang isa't isa sa mga maliliit na bagay. For example, nung kinasal kami, meron ako isang bagay na kinaiinisan, nakakapikon talaga. And anong nangyayari? Tuwing maliligo siya, pagkatapos niya maligo, bigla siyang sisigaw ng
Love, tuwalya.
ayun. Araw-araw na ginawa ng Diyos, hindi niya dinadala yung tuwalya niya papasok sa CR. And nung una inis na inis ako, parang nagagalit pa ako sa kanya. Bakit ba hindi mo dalhin yung tuwalya mo dyan? Meron naman towel rod doon. Bakit hindi mo doon isabit? Bakit ang tamad-tamad mo? Bakit mo nakakalimutan? Kasi ako, sanay ako na dinadala ko palagi yung tuwalya ko sa loob ng banyo. Pero alam nyo, after 6 months of being annoyed, naiinis ako, minsan pinag-aawayan pa namin, na-realize ko that I am wasting so much energy on little things na pwede naman sanang hindi na pinag-aawayan. And so, whenever she shouts,
Love, tuwalya.
anong gagawin po? Di alam na, dadaling ko yung tuwalya papunta sa kanya. And walang problema. Everybody happy. And I will do it lovingly for her. Pero hindi lang naman siya yung ganun sa akin. Meron din siyang bagay na kinaiinisan sa akin. For example, inis na inis siya kapag yung electric fan o kahit na anong appliances at aalis kami ay hindi ko tatanggalin sa saksak. Kasi kinagis na niya sa pamilya niya na kapag aalis sila, tatanggalin yung electric fan sa saksakan. Ako naman, sanay ako na hindi tinatanggal yun. But you see, what happened? Lagi namin pinag-aaway nung upisa, but later on, ayun, kapag hindi ko ginawa, she lovingly takes out the plug for me. So, everybody happy. What's my point, my dear friends? A lot of things you get annoyed. Maliliit na bagay, karamihan pa nga eh. But if you want to make your relationships work, please don't try to fix people. Yan ang sure way para mag-crumble down ang inyong marriage, ang inyong pagkakaibigan. When you try to fix other people, when you try to change other people. And the Word of God says, dalawa lang naman ang greatest commandments. Love God, love neighbor. At the end of the day, it's all about love. You cannot fix the other person. You cannot change the other person. All you can do is love the other person. And who does the changing? Si Lord na ang bahala sa changing. Don't try to fix people. Don't try to change people. Just love and love and love, and then let God do the changing. Accept the other person. Never try to fix them, so that you will live happily ever after.
Sabi mo yan.
Again, this is Veldin Lim with my wife Moriel for Relationship. God bless you. Have a great day.